Fabulous, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing a super fun, super exciting, colorful look. We're gonna be creating this unicorn inspired look, and we're gonna be breaking all the rules when it comes to winter makeup. I'm also gonna be featuring some of the products that I got in my December Sephora Play box and my BoxyCharm December box. So if you wanna see how I created this fun look, keep on watching. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on social media. Click that button below to subscribe to my channel and that notification bell so you're always notified when I post a new video. Alright, let's get into it. So first we're going to start with this Photo Focus Eye Primer all over the lid. We're going to follow with a NYX primer just to cover up any darkness and to make the colors more intense. We're going to be using the Best Year Ever palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to start with that color Sunny Day all over my lid, all the way to the eyebrow. Same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to be using this first brush with the color Spike Cider. That's going to be my transition shade, just to create some depth. Then with this e.l.f. brush, I'm going to be pressing this color. It's called Unwrap Me, and it's kind of an iridescent fuchsia color. I guess it's really pretty, very colorful, very fun. So we're breaking all the rules here, guys, because usually you will go for maybe a mauvey tone as a winter color, but we're gonna be using this super fun color for this winter look. And then again, I'm gonna use Spike Cider to blend everything together. Then with my finger, I'm gonna apply Party over here, just on the center of the lid, just to give an extra pop. Then again, just blend those edges out. Super easy, guys. And then I'm gonna be using this, or attempting to show you guys how I do my cat eye or cat eye eyeliner with this Clinique liquid liner that I got in my December Sephora Play box. I actually really like this eyeliner. It is a brush tip, which is unusual for me to like something like that, but I really do like it. I find it very easy to use as opposed to other brush eyeliners. And there you go, I did the same thing on the other eye. Next, we're going to do the face. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Better Skin Foundation. I will list the color below. I can't remember right now what the color is or the shade that I use, but I will list it on the description below. And I'm going to be using the Real NYX sponge for that. I've been obsessed with this Ulta Full Coverage Concealer, guys. You need to watch my video, because seriously, this could be basically a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's so good. I've been using it every single day. And then I'm gonna set everything with this number 7 loose setting powder with my sponge as per usual. I just find that the sponge just gives you such a flawless look to your face. And then I'm gonna set my entire face the same way. And it just sets the makeup to last all day long. And then I'm just gonna brush any excess powder. Okay, eyebrow time. I'm gonna be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm gonna be doing this mostly off camera. And my eyebrows are done. And we're gonna move on to the lower eyelid. I'm gonna be using this super tiny e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna be using the Spike Cider shade again, just to create some depth before we go on with a more colorful shade on the lower eyelid. And then with this Eco Tool brush, I'm gonna be using that same Unwrap Me shade that I use on the entire lid on the lower eyelid as well. So pretty. Then with this flat brush, I'm gonna be using that black eyeshadow called Black Tie, and I'm pressing the color onto the lower eyelid, very close to the eyelashes, just kind of like a soft eyeliner, I guess. I didn't want anything too harsh. I already have a cat eye on the top. Then I'm blending everything together. Then with this pencil brush, I'm using the highlighter on the palette called Bless for the inner corners of the eyes, and a little bit on the eyebrow. Then I'm gonna be using this Be Fearless, Be Limitless trio palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. The swatches were not that great, guys, but I wanted to show you how it applies on the skin, and it doesn't apply. You can't see the color. I do not like this trio at all, guys, to be honest with you. As much as I tried, the color didn't come off. Then I'm gonna be using that other pinkish blush for my for blush. You can see nothing. What's going on there? Absolutely nothing. The colors just do not show up for this palette. So I'm trying both of them now to maybe intensify the color, and that works a little bit better. Now I'm gonna be applying the same highlighter that I apply in the inner corners as the highlighter. Again, that shade is called Bless. Super blinding, guys. Not my usual, but since this is a very fun, colorful look, I decided to go for it. Then moving on to the eyelashes, I'm using this Tartarus mascara that I got in my BoxyCharm, also from December. Not my favorite Tarte mascara, but it did the trick for now. And then I'm gonna be using one of the melted lip on my lips. I forgot the shade right now, I will list it below. And then I'm using this NYX lip liner in nude pink to line my lips. I'm applying that Too Faced melted liquid lipstick on my lips now. And then I'm gonna top it off with this Pretty Vulgar lip gloss topper, I guess, and my lips are sealed, just to give it a little bit more of a sheen. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like this video, and keep on coming back to watch more of my videos. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Remember to subscribe before you leave, guys. And remember that feeling fabulous, it's all a state of mind. Bye, guys.